Look at meat consumption. The bottom, 1961, 2013. That's worldwide. Look at meat consumption. 1961, 2014. Central America is at the top. North America second. Caribbean, South America, etc. High animal protein intake was positively associated with cancers. That comes out of JAMA, Journal of American Medical Association. So even the mainstream guys who always hide the truth is slipping into the literature now. The solutions. Solutions are pretty simple. How many of you want solutions? Anyone want solutions? Raise your hand. I'm looking out there around the world. Are you sitting on your couch? Raise your hand. Look at that guy. Eliminate red meat, chicken, turkey, pork, wild game, fish, including shellfish, all aquatic life, milk, butter, cheese, yogurt, kefir, eggs. First step. Eliminate them.
Well, where am I going to get my protein?
You want to rerun this? The good news is he films this stuff. You can watch it 30 times. Number 2, increase organic, raw, plant-based foods. Heavily rely on greens and sprouts and low-sugar vegetables. Don't say, I eat a lot of vegetables or beets and carrot juice. Beet and carrot juice has astronomically high amounts of sugar in it. That's why you like it? Well, Dr. Walker 80 years ago said, we've learned a lot in 80 years. If Brian Clement comes back in 2 years and tells you the same thing, stop listening to Brian Clement. Do you follow me? Take clover sprouts, broccoli sprouts, cabbage sprouts, buckwheat, leafy greens, collard, mustard, kale, arugula, purslane, free again, matcha, cucumbers, celery, summer squash, turnips. When I was a kid, everyone ate turnips. What happened to turnips? They went out of style. They're incredibly good for you. Fermented cabbage and vegetables, onions and garlic, medicines, antimicrobial, antifungal, antiparasitic. When in the conquest of disease, aspire to consume 100% uncooked living cuisine. When you're not sick, make sure at least 75% by weight of your diet is uncooked, organic, raw cuisine. Easy to do. Even if you continue to eat 3 meals a day, which I discourage, basically what you do is have a large green juice, weighs a pound, a moderate green salad, weighs a half a pound. Now you're 1.5 pounds of raw food, and take 1/4 pound of quinoa, or cooked beans, sprouted and then cooked beans. And that's how you get filled up. When I eat cooked food, that's what I do. You follow? And easy stuff. Oh, I'm going to die. I've got to eat all this raw food. No, you're going to die if you don't eat raw food. So here's the Hippocrates food pyramid. We got tired of all the nonsense the government puts out. So now, let's start at the bottom. Freshwater algae. Why? They were the very first life form on the planet. Algae of all types. Sea algae, phytoplanktons, etc. One of the life gift products. Seaweeds. Arami, dulse, hiziki. Sprouted nuts, seeds, and grains. Fruits and vegetables. Nuts and seeds. Juices, herbs, microgreens. This is the most nutritious, the highest protein, highest vitamins, highest minerals, highest essential fats, highest phytochemicals, highest peptides are in these raw organic foods. Now, if you care to eat small amounts of cooked food because it's your security blanket, that's perfectly fine. But don't overindulge with them.